Stop everything. What if I told you there's a magical green fruit that can literally transform your skin and hair? Yes, I'm talking about unripe green figs, nature's best kept secret for youthful, glowing beauty. You won't believe what this simple homemade cream can do. Please carefully read the brief explanation of the benefits of using green and red figs. Listen, I believe you will not fall in love with figs. Green, unripe. Figs contain nutrients and active ingredients that can be beneficial for the skin and hair. Due to the presence of vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, vitamin C and E, this fruit can help strengthen hair follicles and hydrate hair cells and thus help hair growth. Also, green figs can help improve skin condition, reduce skin inflammation, and increase facial radiance. Benefits of green figs for the skin: moisturizing and softening. Because of its moisturizing ingredients, green figs can help hydrate and soften the skin. Improves acne and pimples. This fruit can be effective in reducing skin inflammation and improving acne and pimples. Skin rejuvenation. The presence of vitamins and antioxidants in cal figs can help reduce wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin. Skin lightener. Cal figs can help reduce skin blemishes and brighten the complexion. Scar repair. Cal figs can help repair and improve scars and acne. Benefits of cal figs for hair. Strengthen hair follicles. Cal figs can strengthen hair follicles and help grow healthy hair. Hydrate hair. This fruit can help hydrate hair cells and prevent dryness and brittleness of hair. Prevent hair loss. Consuming cal figs can help reduce hair loss and strengthen hair. In this recipe, we need about 20 to 30 green, unripe figs. After washing the figs, we cut them in half and pour them into the blender with half a glass of water to get their juice. See how I do the steps? Like me, get into action and make a magic cream mask. The mask is versatile. It's unbelievable. If you also love living a natural lifestyle, subscribe to my channel and get endless magical recipes for youth, beauty, and a healthy body. By subscribing to the channel, you will have access to content with 100% performance and affordable, natural, and best and most special creams, masks, and toners. My friends all over the world and the universe, I am here to serve you, dear ones. Whatever problem you have with your skin, hair, and overall health, let me know and leave a comment. I promise you, I will read all the comments and respond to you. If there is a need to make a video and a visual explanation, I will upload the treatment instructions for you. I only expect from you a channel that is at your service and introduce it to those around you. Publish it so that everyone's problem is solved. I have more than 20 years of experience in herbal medicine. I remember when I was a child, my palm had a callus. My grandmother would pluck a green fig from the tree in our yard, cut it in half, and rub it directly on my callus in a circular motion. When I woke up the next morning, there was no trace of the callus. This is the miracle of nature. With the help of a strainer, we separate the pulp and juice of the figure. In this recipe, we need fig juice. The fig juice is ready. The next ingredient we add is a spoonful of sweet almond oil. The properties of this oil, along with fig juice, are like a plastic surgeon's. It gives silky skin and hair. I would like to tell you a few of the properties of sweet almond oil. Sweet almonds and their oil have many properties for the skin and hair. These properties include moisturizing, nourishing, reducing inflammation, and protecting against environmental damage. Sweet almond oil is especially useful for dry skin, damaged hair, and dandruff. Properties of sweet almonds for the skin: strong moisturizer. Sweet almonds and their oil hydrate the skin well and prevent dryness and skin cracks. Anti-inflammatory. The anti-inflammatory property of sweet almond oil helps soothe sensitive and inflamed skin, reduce wrinkles. Consuming sweet almonds can help reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Brightening and clarifying. This oil can help brighten and clarify the skin and reduce skin blemishes. Sun protection. Sweet almond oil can act as a natural sunscreen and protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays. Sweet almond benefits for hair. Hair strengthening. Sweet almonds and their oil strengthen hair follicles and help grow healthy hair. Softening and shining. This oil makes hair soft and smooth and makes it shiny and bright. Reduces dandruff. Sweet almond oil, with its antifungal properties, helps eliminate dandruff and prevent split ends. Protects against environmental damage. This oil protects hair from damage caused by the sun and pollution. The next ingredient is a spoonful of rice flour, and the last ingredient we add is a spoonful of natural honey. The reason for adding honey and rice flour in this recipe is to strengthen skin exfoliation, make hair shiny, provide very strong hydration, and completely regenerate the scalp and body skin. It multiplies the effect. Friends, I recommend that you definitely subscribe to the channel. Maybe you forgot until now and got lost in the training. Maybe YouTube no longer brings you my videos. So by subscribing to the channel, you will have access to a reference for skin and hair treatment, a healthy lifestyle, and a herbal skin routine. We put a cloth inside the container that we put on the heat, and then we put the bowl in which we mix the cream mask ingredients inside the pot and put it on the heat for about a quarter of an hour. This heat causes the ingredients to thicken and increases the effectiveness of the rice. As a result, more shine and hydration for your hair and skin. Have you ever had the experience of using a herbal cream mask? Please share your experience with me and the other channel members in the comments. Once the cream mask is ready, pour it into a glass container. It will last for 10 days in the refrigerator. To use it on your skin, you can apply it every night on your clean skin and leave it until the morning. Or if you are not used to leaving cream on your skin, you can wash it off after 15 minutes at bedtime. And for your hair, apply this mask to the roots of your hair and massage it into the hair shaft. After an hour, you can go to the bathroom. Do this once a week and treat all hair and skin problems. All blemishes, scars, stitches, and anything that makes your skin look uneven will disappear, and you will have a smooth, clear, and radiant skin. Treat wrinkles with continued use, and they will disappear like a wrinkle eraser.